Welcome to Keith Racing, the channel where I guess I try to be a YouTuber and also a racing driver. In this episode, we'll mostly be talking about this. Make sure you stick around to find out what happened. Donaldson GP Race 1, here we go, red lights are on. Held us for quite a while on the red lights. Away we go, not too bad, not too much wheel spin in the damp conditions. We've got a Russell Halley up ahead, gets a little touch there, but they seem to get away with it okay. Right, we hit fifth gear, but we're just going to ignore gearbox issues for now. Yep, that's me. Approaching turn 1 at Donington, still pretty slippery conditions, but we want to try and stay out of trouble, and yeah, pretty good. We've got Tom from NHA alongside, gives me a bit of room, which is nice, and then we get a little love tap from Matt. Just a quick one on the setup actually. So we use a fast road tyre, but when it's wet like this, we tend to bump the pressures up really high, and also we can soften the shocks up, and that combination gives you a bit more feel in the wet. As you can see, I've got quite a lot of oversteer there into the old hairpin. For this race though, actually, we decided to go full dry setup because we expected it to dry pretty quick. So right now, I'm just lacking a little bit of early grip. I'm hoping it's going to come to me as the race goes on. Right, so here we go, just up the hill, hunting down Simon. We go 3 wide, send it down the inside, try and give him loads of room, get over that inside curb. But unfortunately, Simon kind of loses it on his own there and just nudges into my door. I get away with it, but as you can see from the rear camera, there was a whole load of carnage behind. So Simon touches me, spins in front of the others, and then the Misty car gets absolutely launched.
This is Jordan Pemberley looking for his 3rd race win this season. Oh, and a big moment there for the 99, and it's caused 901. That was Privet, Simon Privet.
So just some light damage for me, really, not too bad on the passenger side. It was actually the dark purple car of Jamie Turner that sustained most of the damage. And as you can see from that image, he really was the meat in the MX-5 sandwich. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Any interaction will be massively appreciated. So actually for the rest of the race, it was pretty boring for me after that incident. I was kind of in no man's land. You can see behind we have Paul Simard hunting me down at a pretty rapid pace. And to be honest, that was pretty much the last of the action. We managed to stay out of trouble and bring it home, and I think it was around about P14.